Okay, guys, so I decided to show you my little bit of my workouts today. And so, first of all, this is supposed to be a box squat. I squatted yesterday, so I didn't want to do the same thing, and I decided to do a variation of the squat. So I thought about box squats, and I never did them before. This was the first time, and it was a really bad idea because I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. I'm probably doing this all wrong. I should have researched first, and and the bench is too high. I'm not even fucking reaching parallel. So this is wrong at every possible level. But yeah, at least I experimented with it, and the weight is really light. So even if I'm doing wrong, I'm probably not going to injure myself at a serious level. So now here's the bench, and my bench really sucks. And the major problem I'm having on the bench is my wrists starting to hurt, and I know why. It's because of the wrist position. I can't really explain it, but I know why, but I can't fix it for some reason. And although this is actually a bit of lightweight for me, I can do a little bit more. My wrists just start to hurt as fuck, and I don't really know what to do to fix it. So, so yeah, I just wanted to show you those two clips and give me some tips and some help. And that's it. Thanks. See ya.